My first technology is called HEP2Go. I teach in the physical therapist assistant program at Colby Community College, and one of the things they need to be able to do is put together a home exercise program for their patients. So we're going to log in, and you just sign up by using your email address. It does ask you if you are a healthcare professional or a student, and the students are, so then they have access to the free part of the website. You can go up and search for specific exercises, or you can click on the exercise tab and look through all the different exercises that are available. They are broke down into categories: ankle and foot, cervical, patient education, elbow and hand, hip and knee, lumbar thoracic, shoulder, and then there's special exercises that would be for, say, amputees, aquatics, cardio, something like that. So we're going to go to the lumbar thoracic section, and we're going to go to stabilization, and we're going to pick bridging exercise. We're going to put in how many repetitions they need to do, how many seconds they need to hold that exercise, how many sets they need to complete, and how many times a day they need to complete it. We then add that to the HEP. Then it comes back and you can add more exercises. So we're going to add the quadruped alternating arm and leg. We want them to do 5 repetitions, hold it 10 seconds, and perform 3 times a day. So we go add that to the exercise program. We can then come down here and click on the, where we go, click on the check mark, and it puts it into a nice printable exercise program. You can go up here and you can then name your exercise program. So we're going to name this lumbar stabilization exercise program, and then you can save that routine. You can then print it out for your patient, and it prints out the picture, the explanation, and how many repetitions and all of that for them. The ISTE standards that align with this would be ISTE standard 1B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And then ISTE 1D, which is cultivate responsible online behavior, include the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. And that is my first technology.